Hello. And yeah, you probably saw the title. So yeah. So how do this puzzle box looks when it's a baby? How do it looks here? Well, then it looked like this. And how did Max look when he was a baby? Well, he looks like this. Now he's so cute. Who cares? But here we go. It's I try to make the same mechanism. You can see it's this is 8 by 8. This is 4 by 4. So yeah. If you haven't checked out this, do it. Yeah. So what you wanna do is you wanna slide this down here and push in. So this come out. So sorry for that. Well, then you wanna push on this. Yeah, you probably saw that. So this come out. So far it looks pretty much the same one, huh? So if you find this hole, try now. It's something blocks it so you can't get anything. That was why it's a hinge which you open, and then you put in your key. Put in your key. Yeah. And push. So you can take away this. Then you put in this. Put in your key. Nothing happened. So we're not push this longer key in, and here you got your price. Now I can buy some toys on Toys R Us. Yo, there you go.